Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. And this video, we are going to talk about growing eggplant at home. Eggplants are a delicious and healthy vegetable, and growing them at home is a fun and rewarding experience. The first tip: choose the right soil for your eggplants. Eggplants and well-drained soil and is rich in organic matter. You can create this by mixing compost, peat moss, and perlite or vermiculite. Avoid using heavy soil that retains too much water, as this can lead to root rot. The second step is to water your eggplants properly. Eggplants need regular watering, but not too much. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause the fruit to become bitter. Water your eggplants deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather and the soil moisture level. The third tip is to give your eggplants enough sunlight. Eggplants need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to grow and develop properly. If you don't have enough sunlight in your garden, you can use grow lights or plant your eggplants in container that you can move around. The fourth tip is to fertilize your eggplant regularly. Eggplants are head feeders and need a lot of nutrients to grow and produce fruit. You can use a balanced fertilizer or a fertilizer that is high in phosphorus and potassium. Apply to fertilize once a month during the growing season. The fifth and final tip to manage pests and disease that can affect your eggplant. Common pests include aphids, flea beetles, and spider mites, while common disease include verticillium wilt and bacterial wilt. You can use organic methods to control pests and disease, such as spraying neem oil or using companion planting. We hope that you found these tips helpful and that you will try growing eggplants in your garden this season. If you have any question or additional tips, please leave them in the comments below. And as also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.